Sri Shivaya Namastupya. Hey everyone, let's talk about something super exciting today. Electric vehicles in India. So are we really ready for the mass adoption? That's the big question. And I have got some thoughts to share. You have probably noticed EVs popping up everywhere, right? They are supposed to be the future of transportation. Clean, green and efficient. But let's look at where India stands right now. First off, did you know that last year EVs made up just about 2.5% of all car sales in India? That's a teeny fraction. But here's the cool part. The government has this ambitious goal to bump that number up to 30% by 2030. And car makers are responding. This year alone, we are expecting a flood of new EVs model. Some are high-end with longer ranges and faster charging, which is great for people looking for premium options. Now let's get real about infrastructure. Is where it gets a bit challenging. Maruti Suzuki, for instance, is planning to set up fast charger every 5 to 10 kilometers in the major cities. That's a great start. They are even talking about a battery rental service, which could solve a lot of worries about battery life and charging. But honestly, we have still got a long way to go to make EVs viable outside urban areas. Oh, here's something fascinating. The government is working on a massive project to create 6,000 kilometers of EV-ready highways. Imagine driving an EV from Delhi to Chennai without stressing about charging. That's a part of their plan to electrify intercity public transport too. Exciting, right? Now on the industry side, Tata Motors is making big moves. They are investing in local battery production with a $1.5 billion gigafactory expected to start operation by 2026. This is a game changer because batteries are one of the most expensive part of an EV. Producing them locally could make EVs way more affordable. Let's talk about the consumers. A recent survey says 63% of people in India are seriously thinking about buying an EV as their next car. That's a massive. It shows people are warming up to the idea. But let's be honest, there are still a few hurdles. The upfront cost of an EV is pretty steep. Even if you save money in the long run, and then there's the whole, what if I'm stuck somewhere without a charging station thing? And the rural areas, there's a whole different story. Most of the focus right now is on the cities. But if we are talking about the mass adoption, we need solution that works for everyone and everywhere. So where do we stand? I did say we are moving in the right direction. The technology is evolving, the government is stepping up, and companies are investing like never before. But we have still got some gaps to fill. Better infrastructure, more affordable options, and change in how we think about EVs. What do you think? Are we ready for these EV revolutions? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I love to hear your comments. Thank you so much.